तो हमें रेडी होना है जल्दी जल्दी मेकअप पहन के। मैंने आज एक लिप ऑयल भी ख़रीदा है, which is this. Mummy is looking stunning as always. So pretty, I must say. अब हम रेडी होंगे तो I'm going to.
चुपचाप चल यार, मैं लाइट भी नहीं ऑफ कर सकता। चुपचाप चल।
लाइट बंद कर।
ये बदसूरत लग रही है ना, लोग पार के जाएंगे तेरे मुंह पे।
नहीं लाइट तो है ना,
राइट ट्रेंड तो मैंने ब्लू आईलाइनर का सोचा था बट वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही ओवर हो जाता। दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज लाइक and here is mummy, she's the one who's looking stunning here. Mummy please look here, एक पोज दे दो हमें। तो इन केस यू गाइज आर वंडरिंग कि हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं, सो बेसिकली वी आर गोइंग टू माई फादर्स कंपनीज पार्टी। ही टोल्ड अस कि कल पार्टी है करके, सो वी ऑल वेंट फॉर शॉपिंग एंड वी लिटरली increased the bill for like around 18,000 I believe. And next thing was we got ready for it and we went to the party. We all were dressed up very nicely and I loved my fit. As you guys could tell, I was obsessed with myself. I kept looking at me and this is my brother. Uska shirt मैंने select किया है and he's looking good as well. Next हम कार में बैठ गए and you guys can see that's my bag. I got it from Savannah. And हम लोग जब गाड़ी में जा रहे थे तो बहुत ट्रैफिक हो रहा था. Like I was legit in the car for like an hour. It took us a while क्योंकि you see Bharuch is a very small city. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत कुछ like you know it's not like a proper city. It's like still developing. So yeah. And I was just taking videos and videos for my vlogs and I had no idea like, and somehow we went to the party and you guys can see this was the only thing I took in the party. Otherwise this is my mom and our neighbor मेरे पापा के friend and she was also there. She was talking to my mother and party थी guys. बस कुछ देर राउंड टेबल जैसे सब बैठे थे एंड देन एवरीवन स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग. फिर बात करने के बाद सब लोग लाइक खाना खा रहे थे एंड दैट वाज प्रिटी मच द पार्टी. इट्स एक्चुअली अ फेयर.
அதுக்குள்ள போய் நீ படிச்சு கறதா பூச்சி கிச்சி இருக்கும்.
இருங்க அந்த வண்டி வருது.
I'm feeling so like Lara Jean guys.
There auntie. Auntie காரட். நாளைக்கு போணும்ல சார், போய் தூங்கணும் காலையில.
So good guys. ஆமா நாங்களும் தான். நாளைக்கு ஒரு நாள் தான் இருப்போம். மண்டே மார்னிங். So just in case you're wondering where the party took place, it was in this clubhouse guys. तो ये उस company का clubhouse है and वहाँ पे it was a private event so I was not able to take a picture but I will insert a few pictures which I took there, like the food and the atmosphere there. It was pretty good. The party, like basically it was a farewell party but yeah it was okay, decent. क्योंकि मैं सिविलियन पार्टी लाइक पहली बार मैंने लाइफ में अटेंड किया है. आई हैव बीन इन ऑसम एस अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स, बर्थडे पार्टीज़ वगैरह वगैरह, बट this was my first time attending a civilian party. That's why we were not aware about the dress code as well. We all dressed up in modern formal way but everyone was wearing a sari or normal t-shirts and you know like suit and all that stuff. We were like legit outshining every single person over there and we did look stunning though. We all were looking very decent but yeah it was like you know you shine differently in a room. So yeah, that was that. तो हम घर आ गए हैं and I'll show you the house. Little did I know the house was very messy, so I didn't. So before ending the vlog, I wanted to show you all what I have got recently. मैंने बहुत कुछ purchase किया है, like this blush. ये blush मैंने Zudio से लिया है for like 199 rupees. And इसका shade जो आप देख सकते हैं, it's gorgeous, it's so nice. And it complements my skin very beautifully, and I have no words. Like, this one goes with any sort of skin shade. And next we have this holographic eyeliner, which I got for like 336 from Blinkit, and you can see I've applied it in my eyes as well. It looks so good, so good. ये actually holographic है, तो you can see on my hands कि how it looks. It changes in each light setting, but yeah, overall a very good purchase. I loved it. It's really nice. I just love it. Next, I got this lip gloss. Now this lip gloss, I got it from a local market. Like, it is Lakme, but there's no sign of Lakme, like, you know what I mean. It's not that expensive, but yeah, it's for like 300 rupees. I got it for like 360 rupees. Then I got this lip oil. The consistency, as you guys can see, the formula, oh my god, this is how it is. And it's actually really nice though. As you guys can see, it really complements my shade of skin. I love it. Coming back to the lip gloss, I'll show you how the shade actually looks like. So for this particular lip gloss, ये मेरे skin tone के लिए थोड़ा light था. So whenever I use it, I use a dark formula of shade to just, you know, enhance my lip skin. And next we have this beautiful eyeliner, which is of blue color. Now this blue color eyeliner, I just love it, but I haven't used it. I did use it on Garba. As you guys can see, I'll insert some pictures right here. इसकी consistency भी बहुत अच्छी है, and आप देखेंगे तो ये बहुत अच्छे से thin blue color की line बनाता है, and I love it. I absolutely am satisfied with the, you know, service of it. It just gives you what you need. So yeah, it does a pretty good job as well. Next, I got this exfoliating scrub, and I have no words. Like, this exfoliating scrub, like, guys, अगर आप लोग मेरे से पूछोगे तो you should really get one glove instead of a scrub, क्योंकि scrubber इतना अच्छा नहीं है जितना एक glove होता है. तो yeah, glove is really nice, and I shaved my hands. As you guys can see, it's so soft. It gives me a salon like feeling. Like, honestly, I'm not even kidding. With this, you have to use an exfoliator. So I got one exfoliator for myself, which is of Dove. ये Dove का जो exfoliator है आजकल बहुत trending में भी है. As you guys can see, this is the one. I got the pomegranate one. You can get any other, but yeah, it does the job, and you can see the consistency. It smells so nice. I just want to eat it. But yeah, you guys can see, right? Like, this is how it looks. It's almost like a liquid shade. Like, एक liquid की consistency का है, but थोड़ा सा thick है. Basically, it's like a milkshake. But yeah, I love it, and it's really nice. I just adore this, and I can't wait to like use it. You don't have to use it every day, but only for like shaving and exfoliating your skin. It's a very good body scrub. I just love it. 10 out of 10 recommended by me. And next, this Dove ka body wash. Now I know these products are like very expensive, and a lot of people can't afford it. Like, even I can't afford it every month, but I'll try. But you know, it's worth the price. It's worth the money. This body wash actually is almost like vanilla, and this scrub is like strawberry, but it's actually of pomegranate. But I don't know, मैं strawberry की तरह smell कर रही थी. I smelled so good basically. So yeah, I just love these products. Then I got this crunchy long back in a street market. It was for like 20-30 rupees, and honestly, I loved it. I have loved it ever since. I keep it on my purse every time. And next I have this purse, 155 rupees from Meesho. And next I've got this eyeliner for like 89 rupees from Blinkit. After this, I actually was just showing random things in my purse, which is a perfume, and it's like a pocket perfume, sorry. And ये जो pocket perfume है, it's very helpful. You'll smell nice all day long, no matter what. And next I have this bag. I love this bag, you guys. I just can't. Like, if you see me going somewhere, you'll always see me going with this bag everywhere. And my brother trying to, video bomb my videos. He just wants attention, guys. He loves attention, and then he'll come and dance. He's an idiot, so we need not pay attention. Next we have a silver bracelet. This silver bracelet was like 200 rupees from Savannah. I do regret purchasing this, but yeah, क्या ही कर सकते हैं. So next I have this golden bracelet which has like fish gills on it. Honestly, I love it. I got it with my friend in this same street market where I got the clutcher. It's for like 100 rupees and you get 2 pieces. एक मेरी दोस्त ने लिया था, एक मैंने लिया था. So we just love it, and I love it. So yeah, it looks good on me as well. So yeah, I guess that was pretty much it. These were all the items that I wanted to show you, and this one can actually bend and mold itself to form its own shape, and that is why I love this bracelet very much. मेरे last vlog में, if you remember that shopping wala vlog, that is where I got this from, and I wanted to do a haul ever since that, but I was not able to. Next I have this watch. I got this for like 200 rupees from Meesho, and it is actually nice. पहले जब मैंने देखा था, I was like, ये क्या है? But when I started wearing it, I actually liked it. So yeah, and then I got this professional क्या बोलते हैं इसे? I forgot. Anyways, जो भी है, I actually didn't try it, but I will try and let you all know, like I tried all these body washes. But yeah, every single purchase I have done is worth the price, and I love it, guys. Basically, like, you just have to, it removes your hyperpigmentation. That's what I read online, but I'm not sure. I'll have to see that first. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the vlog. Bye, guys.